If God woke you up today, your purpose isn't finished yet. So get up and keep going. So today, January 28, 2026, before anything else, I read the Word of God. And I know kasi na kailangan talaga natin ng salita ng Lord araw-araw for our daily encouragement, for our daily motivation. And kailangan din talaga natin ng something na magle-lift up ng araw-araw natin because importante talaga ang first 5 minutes ng araw natin. So, our first 5 minutes ay ilaan talaga natin in spending time in the Lord so that our spiritual life will be boosted and mas lalo tayong motivated na mag-go lang araw-araw. So, our devotions actually is in Deuteronomy. So, ngayon, nasa Deuteronomy chapters 30, 31, and 32 na kami. But, usually, whenever kasi nagre-read tayo ng Word of God, meron talaga dyan na word si Lord para sa atin. At ang tawag doon, yun yung Rhema word natin. So, yung Rhema word ko for today is in Deuteronomy chapter 31, verses 7 to 8. Yung Rhema kasi yan yung talaga yung tumatak sa'yo. Yan talaga yung nag-strike sa puso mo. At yan talaga yung pinapasabi sa'yo ng Lord. So, in this verse, dito sa verse 7, then Moses called for Joshua, and as all Israel watched, he said to him, "Be strong and courageous, for you will lead these people into the land that the Lord swore to their ancestors he would give them. You are the one who will divide it among them as their grants of land. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will personally go ahead of you. He will be with you. He will neither fail you nor abandon you." So, sa dalawang verse lang na to, ay marami nang nagrema sa akin. Isa talaga sa mga nagtatak sa puso ko ay be strong and courageous. Yun yung isa sa mga nagrema sa akin. Be strong and courageous. You will lead these people. Do not be afraid or discouraged. The Lord will personally go with you. Those are the phrases na nagrema sa akin. Kasi in our times right now, sa panahon natin ngayon, kailangan po talaga natin maging malakas. We really need to be strong, not only for our own self, but for those people din na nakatingin sa atin, for our family, for our friends, for our community,